If you are someone really health conscious, and if you keep an eye always on your physical body weight, and if you are looking for a physical body weighing scale, so you are at the right place. So in this video we'll be talking about a physical body weighing scale that you can use at your home. So without any further delay, let's get started. This is Oni and I welcome you to my YouTube channel, Oni Online. So this is the device. As you can see, this is a Hoffen electronic digital scale, and I am using this device for quite a few days now, and after using this for the last few days I am making this video. This is also an unplanned video, guys. I didn't think about making this video, but while using this device I found it really accurate and it is very useful and functional one, and you can use it at your home. And guys, I have already told you, like, I have already unboxed the device and I am using it. So now just let me show you the box contents. What do we get inside the box pack and how the box looks like and what are the information given over here, and after that I'll show you the device, and then I'll also tell you that how to use this device and what are the features do you get with the device. So this is the box pack of the device, as you can see, and at the top you have the Hoffen logo here and the product name mentioned over here, that is electronic digital scale, as you can see. And on the right side you have some features highlight given, like yeah, this is a made in India product, as you can see here, and also some of the other features highlight, and it shows you the room temperature or the ambient temperature. If you want to read, you can always pause the video and read this. On the reverse side we have the manufacturer's name and address mentioned over here, and this is a Jaipur based company, as you can see, and the MRP quoted on the box is rupees 2499 only, but you can get it for quite a low price from Amazon or Flipkart. And here you have some other features highlight given over here. So the minimum increment on weight is like 50 grams. As you can see, it has 4 sensors. I'll be showing you that. The maximum weighing capacity is 180 kilograms, and it needs 2 AAA batteries to work. And these batteries are included within the box only, so you really don't have to go to anywhere else for those batteries. It has a low power indicator and it supports multiple units for weight. It can be kilogram or pound, and it has a feature of auto on. So whenever you stand on this weighing scale, so it will be automatically switched on. And yeah, guys, this is the actual product what you are seeing. So this is a tempered glass at the top, and here you have the display. This is the display unit that shows you the weight. Let me just bring it closer. So yeah, so this is the display unit, and currently this is in off state, so whenever someone stands on it, it switches on automatically. Here a nice quote, you see, yesterday you said tomorrow. I think that is a fact with most of us. Hoffen, art of living. Nice. Okay, and on the reverse side you have this instruction that how to use this device and how to calibrate it for the first time. So before using the device you have to read this carefully, and here you have the support number. And guys, this is the battery compartment, as you can see, and it accepts 2 AAA size batteries. And the best part is these batteries come with the package only. You don't have to buy this separately. And here you have a tiny button that actually helps you in switching between different units. And guys, as you can see, the sensors are placed at the corners. So we have total 4 sensors in this. And no, this is not the sensor. The sensor is actually inside this. But yeah, we have 4 sensors in total in this device. So now you have seen the device and how to use this device, but now let me just check how accurate this is. So for that, what I'll do, I have a 5 kilogram packet of Fortune Atta. So I'll just place that packet on this weighing scale and I'll check that how the reading comes out. And as you can see, this is a 5 kilogram packet that is mentioned over here, and now I am placing the packet on the weighing scale. See how the reading comes out, and it is showing 4.95 kilogram. So yeah, you can say it's fairly accurate. So guys, that was about the video and the device. And if you have any questions, so please do let me know through the YouTube comment section below, or you can ask it directly through the Facebook page or the Twitter handle. So signing off, this is Oni, and I hope to see you in my next video. Thank you for watching.